Good morning, students. Students, today I am going to discuss about a new topic, and the topic is cancer. Students, I want to tell you that cancer is one of the most dreaded disease that is the major cause of death across the globe. I mean to say that this is the very dangerous disease which is causing most of the deaths in the globe or in our earth. Now, initially, I want to discuss the biology of the cancer. Then later on, I will discuss about different types of cancers or tumors. So, students, I want to tell you that in a normal cell, the cell growth and differentiation is highly controlled and regulated. Means a normal cell grows in a fixed pattern, in a regulated pattern, or it grows definitely. Or similarly, the differentiation means division of labor, is also under control. And a normal cell shows a property called contact inhibition. Means a normal cell has a specific property, and this property is called as contact inhibition. Okay, students, I want to tell you that what is the meaning of contact inhibition. Okay, the contact inhibition is a property by virtue of which contact with other cell stops their uncontrolled growth. I mean to say that when a normal cell is in touch of other neighboring cell or in contact with other neighboring cell, it also controls the growth of other cells. Means if there is a cell, this cell is in contact of some neighbor cells or some adjacent cells, it will also control the unlimited growth as well as unlimited differentiation of other cells too. Cancerous cells do not have this property. While a cell becomes cancerous, means when a cell is going to become cancerous cells, abnormal cell, it will lose the property of contact inhibition. As a result, such cell continue divide producing a mass of cell which is called tumors or neoplasm. तो ऐसी cells लगातार सेल डिवीजन करना शुरू करेंगी, लगातार डिवीजन होगा उनमें, and they will produce a huge amount or a large mass of cells, and the mass of the cell is referred as tumors or neoplasm. ठीक है. So there is a breakdown of regulatory mechanism in the cancer cell. So it means there is a normal mechanism of a cell that it normally undergoes cell division and forms daughter cells, but this machinery breaks down due to the cancer. Means if there is a cancerous cell, it will lose the property of contact inhibition, and the regulation and control will be completely out from the capacity of the cell. Means the cell will lose completely the regulation property as well as all the controls of the cell is going to be removed. ठीक है. Now, as I mentioned, when the cell loses the contact inhibition property, it generates a mass of cell, and the mass of cell is called as tumor. Now, what is tumor? As you all know that it is an unorganized mass of cells formed due to the uncontrolled division of cells. तो means जब cell contact inhibition की property को lose कर दे रही हैं, in such condition they are forming a huge mass of cells or a large mass of cells or unorganized mass of cells. This unorganized mass of cell is called as tumors. Tumors are characteristic signs of cancerous growth. So whenever there is a tumor in the body, it always represents there is something going wrong in the body, means there is a cancerous growth in our body. Now, tumors are divided into two categories. Tumors are broadly divided into two major types. The first one tumor is called benign tumor, and the second one tumor is called malignant tumor. Now, what is benign tumor? Now, the first one, benign tumors are the tumors. They remain confined to their original location and do not spread to the other parts of the body. Means these are the tumor. These are the unorganized mass of cells which can stay its on its mean position. Means कि ये जहाँ पर होंगे वहीं पर बने रहते हैं. They are confined टू देयर ओरिजिनल लोकेशन. ये अपनी जिस लोकेशन पे एक मास बना हुआ है उसी लोकेशन पे ये बना हुआ रहेगा, एंड दीज विल नॉट ट्रैवल थ्रू आउट द बॉडी, और ये पूरी बॉडी में ट्रैवल नहीं करेगा, और इट विल नॉट स्प्रेड टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. ठीक है. it means they are confined to a particular location or a particular place, so definitely they will cause little bit less harm to the body. ठीक है. While on the other hands, The second kind of tumor is called as malignant tumor. Now, malignant tumor, what are malignant tumor? I am going to tell you that they are the mass of proliferating cells. Means these are the this kind of tumor is also a unorganized mass of cells, but this mass is composed of proliferating cells. Means those cells who are spreading or who are increasing their number very in very large amount or a very quick rate. I have to say that, and these cells are called as these cells which are forming the cancerous tumor are called as neoplastic cells or tumor cells. These cells grow rapidly in weights and damage the surrounding normal tissue और सेल्स. तो ये जो आपकी नियोप्लास्टिक और ट्यूमर सेल्स होती हैं, ये इनकी प्रॉपर्टी ये होती है कि बहुत तेज़ी के साथ ग्रो करती हैं, बहुत रैपिडली ग्रो करती हैं, बहुत तेज़ी से इन्वेट करती हैं, फैलती हैं, और जो आसपास की जो सेल्स होती हैं, नाइबरिंग सेल्स होती हैं, नॉर्मल सेल्स हैं या नॉर्मल टिश्यूज़ हैं, उनको डैमेज करना स्टार्ट होती हैं. ठीक है. मोस्टली कैंसर जब हो जाता है, यू ऑफनली ऑब्जर्व दैट हैव बीन ऑब्जर्व दैट कि कैंसीरियस पेशेंट के पस बनना शुरू होता है. पस बनना एक्चुअल में जो सराउंडिंग सेल्स होती हैं दे आर गोइंग टू कंप्रेस. ठीक है, ये दबेंगी, इनको स्पेस कम मिलेगा तो ये मरेंगी, तो पस फॉर्मेशन होगा. ठीक है. द कैंसीरियस सेल्स कॉज अदर सेल्स टू स्ट्रेप एज दे कॉम्पीट फॉर न्यूट्रिएंट विद देम. तो कैंसीरियस सेल्स की वजह से जो अदर सेल्स हैं या अदर नॉर्मल सेल्स हैं या जो नॉर्मल टिश्यू हैं वो परेशानी में आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो कैंसीरियस सेल्स हैं इनके साथ कॉम्पीट करना स्टार्ट करती हैं फॉर न्यूट्रिएंट्स एज वेल एज स्पेस. द सेल्स slot off from these tumors reach other regions of the body through blood flow where they start a new tumor. तो इसके अलावा जो आपका ये मैलिग्नेंट ट्यूमर की जो सेल्स हैं, नाउ after coming out from these tumors or when they are slowed out from the tumors, they can pass into the body along with the blood stream, और ब्लड के साथ दूसरे पार्ट्स पे पहुंच जाती हैं और वहाँ पे जा करके एक नया ट्यूमर क्रिएट करना स्टार्ट करती हैं. ठीक है. दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ ट्यूमर इज कॉल्ड एज मेटास्टेसिस. ठीक है. द प्रॉपर्टी इन विच द ट्यूमर सेल्स आर स्प्रेडिंग थ्रू आउट द बॉडी, दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड एज मेटास्टेसिस. And this is the most dangerous property of the malignant tumor, because due to it the most of the cells can get damaged. Here in the picture you can see that there is a tumor which is forming, and you are observing in a very rapid rate it is increasing the mass of the cells or number of the cells. ठीक है. And the cells are dividing in uncontrolled manner, so the neighboring cells are coming in problem. ठीक है. This is called metastasis. So today I am concluding myself, and tomorrow once again I will meet you and I will explain uh, how can we detect cancer and how can we prevent ourselves from cancers, and as well as I will also discuss what are the various causes of cancer. Till then, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.